Hey everyone, so today we're going to be trying to do a shift knob install as well as potentially doing some shifter base bushings. So this is the shift knob we're going to be putting on the car right here, just like that. And then because we're changing out the shift knob, we need to change the shifter base bushing. So we're going to be putting these on as well. And then here are the base bushings that we might be changing depending on the situation. I don't want to have to remove the whole center console just to do this right now. So see what happens. So first, to start off, we'll need this. Apparently, yeah, so this just pulls off. And then you just unscrew your knob. So you just pull down on the bushing here, and then it should just pop right off. And then you just unscrew your knob, and there you go. Knob off. You can put that with the rest of your crap. And then you want to take your body panel puller, and you just want to pop your clips. It should come off pretty easy. It's not too difficult. Just like that. And then you'll want to remove, if you open up here, there's a couple of clips. So you want to pull those out so that you can get some better access to everything. Try not to turn the car on either. I didn't disconnect the battery. But, well, I guess you don't have to undo the it. You can just kind of twist it out of the way. But so you pull it down, you see there's a zip tie here. You'll want to cut that off so that it's out of the way, so that you can put the new one on. I grabbed some side cutters. So here you can see the zip tie. So you just want to cut the zip tie off. You can garbage that zip tie, and then you just want to pull this out. You can put it with your shift knob so you don't lose it, because I'm keeping everything just in case. And then you want to grab your bushing here. Depending on which side you choose, I want this side up, so that means you would want to put this side down. So you just, let's see, you would want to try and get the new retainer in there like that, and then you can grab your zip tie. And mine is quite a bit bigger. I'd recommend trying to find a smaller one, but I just happen to not have a smaller one, so we'll use the big one for now. It's up to you which way you put it to. I want my Acuity thing lined up facing me, so I don't see the pull to release. And then you just want to cut the end off so that you don't see it. Put that in the garbage. And then there you go. Bam, just like that. Now let's see about these shifter base bushings. Oh, that doesn't look like it would be too hard. One there, and a couple there. So this, though, looks like I do need to unclip everything. So we'll do that so that it's a little easier to do. So, oh, also, you'll need to choose which one you want. I can't remember. I think we want the longer one. And then you can kind of choose how far down to go. But I will do that in a second. Just give me a sec here. I need to figure out what size I need, and I'm using my toolbox as a rest for the tool, or for the camera. So one sec. Okay, we're back. So let's try and move this out of the way a bit here. Try not to cover. There's a little plastic clip in here that I'm just trying to remove so that I can get this right out of the way, but it's not wanting to. So, all right, so for the base bushings, you need a 10 mil. Probably a good idea to have an extension. Probably a good idea to have the car in neutral as well. I am not going to be doing all of the bushings right now. Or no, I am doing all of the bushings, sorry. I'm not going to be taking everything apart so that just to have to take the whole shifter out. I'm just going to be removing a couple of these at a time. If I can, let's see here. I also have a flathead. Yeah, so you want a flathead to pull these bushings out. Just like that, little pieces like this. Hopefully this works good, because apparently it's for the 10th gen, but it said it would also fit the 11th gen. So let's find out together. So one looks like it goes underneath. Oh, yeah. There is another small bushing underneath here, so we're just gonna have to pull that out of the way. Rubber, of course. I dropped it, but that's okay. So we're going from a rubber and aluminum piece to 2 aluminum pieces, which is okay. So we go under. Oops, dropped it. That's okay. Okay, maybe it would have been easier to remove all of it. Okay, so I got it out and I put the new pieces in, and then I just got an Allen key and have been tightening on the shifter base bushings here, just like that. And I'll show you here. So you can see there the differences, hopefully, yeah. So this is the one I just did. This is the one that's coming out. And I did manage to pull this right out of the way. So let's see if we can get a better view here. But, so there's that one. And now we just want to do this. Oh, we don't want it tightened all the way so that I can get the other one out and put in. And then we just want to take this guy out. Oops. Good thing there's the space down there. Grab that in a second. And then you just want to undo this one more to get the bottom out. I don't want it undone all the way just because it is there we go. And then you grab another couple pieces here. So we have a top and a bottom. There we go. Tighten that a little bit. Tighten this one a little bit. And then now we have the one down at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that one or not, but we're just gonna do the same process. So I'll let you know when it's done. Okay, so the shifter base bushings are out. Next, you're gonna wanna grab a wrench and just tighten this piece on. I grabbed one that's a little too big so that it doesn't come off at all or move easily. There we go. You can kind of adjust it too to how far down you want it. I wanted it down all the way. Some people don't. And then essentially this just twists on like that, or there you go. So you want to make sure that you are lined up where you want it to be. There we go. And then okay, and then we take this off. Put this down here for a sec. And then we want to reconnect all of this stuff. So you want to put your plugs back in. Plugs are back in. And then you want to pull that down there. Just kind of click it all back. And then you twist this on. I am gonna need to, ooh. Oh, I put it upside down. Hold on a sec here. So I have to undo it all again because I put it in. I put the whole piece up top, and it's not supposed to be up top. It's supposed to, or I mean below, it's supposed to be up top. So then you just unclip all this again, take this off. I'm using the long one, but I think the short one would work too. So just clip this all back in. There we go. Screw this way. Oh yeah, see, there you go. And that clips on like that. And then this can be screwed as far down as you want it. I'm gonna want mine all the way down. So as far down as possible anyways. I don't know how much more can go down because you want your numbers the other way, not upside down. You want them like this. So then you would tighten, well, loosen technically the bottom piece here so that it's where you want it. I want it straight like that. Oh, hold on. There we go. Like that. And then this piece just clicks. There you go. Shift boot. Shift base bushings done. Shift knob on. Bam. Beautiful. Feels good. I like it. And then I have this hoodie, but I don't think I'll put that back on. Or maybe, who knows. But yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Thanks for watching.